While you're scrolling, somebody else is out here. Somebody else is locking in brand deals, going live, getting for just being themselves, and still watching, still overthinking, still saying, maybe next week. Nah, bro, it's already 2025. It's time to stop watching and start. Ever look at your phone and think, man, I could be with this thing instead of just scrolling? Well, guess what? And in 2025, it's easier than to build a real income as a content creator. Even if you've never edited a video before, even if you work a 9 to 5, got kids, or barely have time to. In today's video, I'm breaking it all down for you, step by step. No fluff, no hype. Just a real conversation, man to man. Stick with me, because by the end of this video, you'll have a plan to get started. Listen, I'm all about that hustle, that grind. But let me tell you something. You don't need a fancy camera, $2,000 worth of lights, or a Hollywood background to win in this game. You know what you need? Your phone. That's it. That's the tool that's in your hand right now. It's more powerful than you think. Don't get caught up in thinking you need the perfect setup. You don't. A cheap tripod, a $20 light off Amazon. That's all it takes to level up your visual. And for audio, a simple mic that plugs right into your phone will do the trick. That's it. That's the gear I'd hand my younger self today. No excuses. Now find yourself a space in your house. Could be your bedroom, your garage, wherever. Doesn't have to be fancy. Just a place where you can own your energy. Light it up. Set your phone sideways. Plug in your mic and hit record. That's it. You've officially taken action. You are now a content creator. Own it. Here's the deal. You can't build an empire on shaky ground. You need a foundation. You need what I mean by that is your niche, the thing you're passionate about, the thing you can talk about for hours without getting bored. So let me ask you, what's something you could talk about? And I don't mean what's hot right now. I mean what love. Could be fitness, car detailing, cooking for your kids, fashion, credit repair, whatever lights your fire. Because here's the truth. If you ain't passionate, you'll burn out faster than a cheap candle. The algorithm can smell inauthenticity a mile away. You gotta end what you're putting out there. I want you to write down 5 things you enjoy. Things you're naturally drawn to. Got it? Now, ask yourself, can I make videos about this for the next 5 years? If the answer is yes, boom. You just found your lane. Here's the good news. You don't need to be on social media. You need to plant your flag and own that space. Start with the platforms that are built for speed. YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or TikTok. Short form video is king right now. It's quick, it's easy, and you can post the same clip on all 3 platforms. Efficiency, my friend. Now, long form video, like what you're watching here on YouTube, is amazing for building deeper trust with your audience. But don't overwhelm yourself. Start small. Start where you feel most comfortable. Pick one platform today, just one. And within the next 48 hours, I want you to post a video. Keep it under 60 seconds. Introduce yourself and drop one helpful tip related to your niche. That's it. You've taken action, built momentum, and that's how you win. Chapter 4. Test formats that fit you. Look, I'm not going to lie to you. This content game is all about experimentation. You got to play around. It's like trying on shoes. You don't know what fits until you walk around in it. You found your niche, now find your voice that niche. If you're in fitness, try different formats. Workout tips, funny gym fails, motivational talks. See what resonates. If you're in finance, try myth busting, savings hacks, or simple explainer videos. There are a million ways to skin a cat, but you won't know what works best until you roll up your sleeves and get to work. Action step. This week, I want you to test 3 different formats within your niche. Check your views, read your comments, that's your feedback loop, Whichever format hits hardest, double down on that. This is called informed experimentation. Don't guess. Chapter 5, Speak to, not about. Let's cut to the chase. People don't care about your backstory, at least not at first. They're scrolling through a sea of content and they're looking for value. They care about how it can help. Don't start your video with, "Hey guys, I'm new here and I've always wanted to try content creation." Nope, that's a one-way ticket to getting skipped. Instead, start with the benefit. Here's one quick tip that'll help you save $100 this week. This simple exercise will bulletproof your needs. Watch me turn $5 into $500 using this simple idea. Lead with value. Action step. Every single video you post should answer this question. Why should someone care? Bring the value from second one, and you'll keep them hooked. Chapter 6, Master the hook. You've got 2 seconds. That's it. 2 seconds to stop someone from scrolling past your video and into the abyss. You need a hook that grabs attention like a slap to the face. Think about the most clickable headlines you see online. The reason you can't lose weight isn't what you think. This one mistake is killing your credit score. Watch me turn $5 into $500 using this simple idea. Intrigued? You bet you are. Curiosity is your secret weapon. Action step. Write your hook before you hit record. Make it clear. Make it punchy. Make them curious. Chapter 7, Know your monetization moves. All right, now let's talk about what we're all here for, the money. There are 4 main ways to generate income as a content creator, and you need to understand each one like the back of your hand. 1, ad revenue. This is the classic YouTube AdSense model. You get paid based on the views your videos generate. But here's the catch. You need consistent, high-quality views to make this a viable income stream. 2, affiliate links. This is where you promote products or services you believe in. And when someone clicks your unique link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's a win-win. Your audience gets valuable recommendations and you get a piece of the pie. 3, brand deals. This is where it gets exciting. As your audience grows and your influence expands, companies will pay you to showcase their products or services. But remember, always stay true to your brand and only partner with companies you genuinely believe in for your own product. This is the ultimate path to freedom and scalability. Creating and selling your own digital products like ebooks, online courses, or coaching programs allows you to leverage your expertise and create a sustainable income stream on your terms. Action step. Start with affiliate marketing. It's a low barrier to entry way to dip your toes into the monetization game. Sign up for Amazon's affiliate program, find products you use and love, and start weaving them into your content. Next, start brainstorming a simple digital product you can create. Think about the biggest problems your audience faces and how you can solve them with your unique knowledge and experience. And if you need help with that, my free ebook shows you how AI can help you build your digital marketing strategy. Go grab it at the ultimate guide to digitalmarketing.com. Chapter 8, build your email list from day one. Listen up, because this is crucial. Social media platforms are rented land. You're playing on their turf, subject to their ever-changing algorithms and rules. Your email list, on the other hand, is your home base. It's an asset you own and control. Start building your list from day one. Don't wait until you have thousands of followers. Treat your email subscribers like gold. They're the ones who have raised their hand and said, "I'm invested in what you have to offer." How do you build a list? Simple. Offer something valuable in exchange for their email address. This could be a free ebook, a checklist, a cheat sheet, a discount code, anything that provides genuine value to your audience. Action step. Use a free tool like Systeme.io or convert kit to get started. Create a simple landing page, showcase your irresistible freebie, and mention it in every post and video. That list equals future sales, future brand deals, and more control over your business. Start building it today. Achoo, you're not too late. Look, man, I know life is busy. I know it feels like everybody else is ahead, crushing it online while you're stuck in the scroll and compare loop. But hear me on this. You're not too late. You're not too old. You're not behind. If you got a phone and a story, you got everything you need to win. This content game ain't just for influencers. It's for fathers, brothers, grinders, and go-getters like you. Fall in love with the process. Show up daily. Learn. Grow. Obsess over the journey, not the likes. Because when you stay locked in, the money shows up, the people show up, and you show yourself what you're really made of. If this video hit home, don't just keep it to yourself. Share it with a brother who needs to hear this message. And if you're ready to build your content brand and use AI to make the process easier, go download my free ebook right now, The Ultimate Guide to AI in Digital Marketing at theultimateguidetoIndigitalmarketing.com. It's your roadmap to get ahead while others are still trying to figure it out.